Amateurs depend on raw hustle and lowball offers, hoping for easy wins in a market they don't understand. The reality of distressed real estate is an active punishment for those who rely on guesswork instead of systems. This contrast highlights the core problem: a dynamic environment where leverage shifts daily versus the structural solution required to navigate it. Survival in this 200-day timeline depends on looking past the decayed exterior and understanding the specific legal mechanics operating beneath the surface. Success requires you to surgically insert yourself into this timeline at the exact moment your leverage peaks. To navigate this battlefield effectively, adopt a 12-stage sequential algorithm designed to sort, solve, and close. This diagnostic framework allows you to sort homeowners within 5 minutes. By following the central pipeline, you categorize their intent into 3 specific outcome buckets: those who want to stay, those ready to sell, and those currently paralyzed by indecision. This timeline tracks the hidden anatomy of the foreclosure process across 7 distinct phases. Each golden lockbox represents a legal milestone where leverage fluctuates, from the initial notice of default to the final acquisition. These golden chess pieces represent the decision makers on the board. You must identify who holds real power, such as the lender, versus gatekeepers like the attorney, to control the deal from inception to close. By instantly categorizing intent, charting the timeline, and knowing the players, you establish a structural foundation that offers a permanent competitive advantage. Your focus must shift to the human inside the crisis. This wireframe model maps their core motivations and deepest fears, which are the primary drivers behind the distressed property. There is a significant difference between transactional sympathy and the deep empathy shown by these interlocking gears. One is high impact and builds trust. The other is a low-impact formality that homeowners quickly see through. This golden curve tracks the emotional journey of a homeowner in mourning. By identifying their exact stage, from denial to bargaining or depression, you can deploy the communication protocol they are actually ready to hear. Mastering frame control allows you to contain the chaos represented by this dark anomaly. Frame control is a psychological method of projecting absolute certainty to define the context and meaning of every interaction. This psychological arsenal transforms you from a passive participant into an active dealmaker who dictates the final outcome. These 3 interlocking gears, acknowledge, isolate, and reframe, neutralize resistance. In this model, an objection is simply a request for more information or a test of your professional certainty. This bar chart displays a multi-tiered playbook of 5 distinct solutions. You must master the mechanics of everything from loan modifications to a deed in lieu to engineer outcomes that work for both parties. This dashboard interface displays the results of the Charlie 10. Charlie 10 is a proprietary financial intelligence gathering system that performs a data-driven autopsy on any deal, replacing repair cost estimates with absolute figures. This steel bridge represents the transition from a lead to a physical appointment. Success here depends on a rigid confirmation protocol and psychological triggers that ensure the homeowner actually opens that door. Deploying these objection models and financial autopsies converts chaotic human interactions into a predictable, repeatable closing sequence. The final goal is the transition from a solo deal finder into a business owner. You are building a system that operates at scale across a dark obsidian grid of opportunities. This level of architectural scale requires specific milestones: raising private capital and managing the infrastructure of a rapidly expanding property portfolio. These previous stages are not isolated tactics, but interlocking components of a synchronized, proprietary algorithm. When fully operational, you become a trusted advisor, where your expertise makes price secondary to the solution you provide. Stop relying on hustle and begin commanding professional respect. Initialize the blueprint and evolve your operation into a professional real estate business.